Welcome to Form Builder Plus. We're thrilled to present our innovative Google Workspace add-on, enabling you to effortlessly build Google Forms. Form Builder Plus can handle it whether it's from Google Docs, Sheets, Slides, Drive files, other Google Forms, Gmail messages, or a Google Calendar event. No matter the format, you can use Form Builder Plus to build a Google form effortlessly. In this video, we will see how to create forms from Gmail messages with just a few clicks. If you haven't installed Form Builder Plus yet, you can get it from the Google Workspace Marketplace. To create Google Forms from Gmail messages, click on Form Builder Plus in the sidebar. Now, I have opened an email. Within this message, we have examples of short answer questions, multiple choice questions, and other types as well. Opening the email immediately directs us to the page where we choose the import type. Now, we have two options to choose: Analyzer and Generate with AI. Analyzer. The Analyzer option lets you review the content of the Gmail message to assist in creating a Google form based on its elements. It identifies the types of questions or elements present in the email, enabling Form Builder Plus to import the form intelligently. Generate with AI. The Generate with AI option uses AI to automatically create a Google form from the Gmail message content, identifying various question types, e.g., short answers, multiple choice, and setting up corresponding form fields without user input, streamlining form creation. Once we click on the Get button, it automatically identifies the questions and gives us based on the content of the email message. Now, let's preview the questions ready for import before proceeding. The questions are formatted based on the content, with the subject serving as the title and correct answers indicated. If adjustments are needed, you can modify them using the controls provided. Once satisfied, click on Confirm Changes. Next, you have the option to create a new form or select an existing one. Let's create a new form now. After creating it, click Import Now to import the previewed questions into the actual Google form. You can access the Google form by clicking Open it now. In the resulting Google form, the email subject will become the form's title, and questions, including multiple choice options with correct answers, will be displayed. Your form is now ready with just a few clicks and within minutes, without the need for manual copying and pasting of text or images. Now, we will click on the Start Again button to import questions using the Generate from AI option. Next, let's open another email and select Generate with AI. Then, click on the Get button. If you are already connected to AI, you will be directed to the AI Connected page. Otherwise, you'll need to connect by selecting your preferred Gen AI provider and entering the API key. For instructions on obtaining the API keys, please visit our Form Builder website. Once you've entered the API key, proceed by clicking on Connect with AI. Next, we will enter additional AI settings. We will select the model, enter the temperature, set the max tokens, and configure other parameters. Finally, click Save AI Settings to save the configurations. Now the Gen AI provider is connected. You can complete this page by selecting or entering options from drop-down menus. These include specifying the number of questions, grade level, complexity levels, and whether to import the question with multiple correct answers. Next, click on the Provide MCQ with Answers or the Generate button. I'll choose to provide MCQ with answers for now. This action will automatically generate questions and their corresponding answers. Click on Show More to view all the generated questions. Let's review the questions by clicking on the Preview button, which is ready to import before proceeding. The questions are formatted based on the content and include multiple correct answers. If adjustments are necessary, you can modify them. Once satisfied, click Proceed to preview or regenerate to make further changes. Review the questions and their correct answers. Then click Confirm Changes. Next, you have the option to create a new form or select an existing one. Let's create a new form now. After creating it, click Import Now to transfer the previewed questions into the actual Google form. You can access the Google form by clicking Open it now. Your form is now ready with just a few clicks and within minutes, without the need for manual copying and pasting of text or images. That concludes the demonstration of how to use Form Builder Plus for Gmail to automatically create Google Forms for you. Discover how Form Builder Plus simplifies form creation and integrates seamlessly with your data management needs. Thanks for watching the video.